What's up? We back. Today is vending machine day. Gonna go and restock and clean out. Yeah. I may or may not get the snacks today because I kind of want to see it today when I pull this video out. But let's go and let's get to it. Busy day, okay?
Alright, so per usual, we're gonna get straight to it, checking out the damage and making sure that I know what needs to stay and what needs to go.
For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations.
Up the machine and assess the damages.
The fame, the bitches that's hating, they sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two.
Any money at the bottom, I'm gonna make sure I grab that. Check my coin mechanism, make sure there are no jams, and let's get started. This is the motherboard of the machine, which basically tells you where everything is about the machine. This is the coin mech and all of the inside. So yeah, here we go.
Session 32 bring me to tears, be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids, and I don't
is the cash acceptor, and I have a coin code machine if you want to look that up and see about getting one of your vending machines. They're very easy to work and easy to learn.
The harder we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you Sis and Ari my love. Y'all
hey, we had a real good profit. The vending machine paid for its own snacks, so I was kind of happy about that today. The coin mech is overflowing, but I don't have time right now. Just basically checking expiration dates and getting all the old stuff out because I don't want to stay on no stale chips. Everything that's in here, make stuff full, make the shelves look asymmetrical, and move forward with restocking the machine.
Hey, Miss Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing. The way that you juggle your kids, the fame, the bitches that's hating, they sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself.
And I don't really like, I hate when my coin mechanism gets full because carrying around all that change is okay? Right now, in cash, I have 40 bucks. And I paid my commission, me and the owner of the shop. I worked out a percentage of the profits, and I give her a percentage every time I cash out, which is fine. She's awesome. She has the key to the machine. She's learning the maintenance of the machine. She is an amazing partner in business. Amazing. I'm gonna go to Sam's Club and get snacks. Some people may say $40 every couple of weeks ain't a lot, but to me, for one location, for the foot traffic that this location does, this is great. It pays for its own snacks once a month. The rest I keep in my pocket. Yeah, so that's enough for me. It doesn't take that much to fill up your vending machine once you already have snacks in it. The biggest fill up be when you first get your machine. Now that I have chips in the machine, I need chocolate, I need a few cookies, and I need a small box of chips. 40 bucks, it just paid for that itself. And I have the plus membership at Sam's Club, so every time I go spend money on my vending machine, they give me money back, and I use that money towards snacks on my vending machine. So y'all pick up what I'm putting down, you feel me? Let's go. Catch me in the next video in part 2 to see me restock the vending machine. Bye y'all. Oh, like, comment, and subscribe and share and all that shit, because I'm back on this bitch. Yeah.